how to fix this field is required on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will simply learn how we can fix if Instagram says that this field is required, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix that this field is required issue on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, whenever you go ahead and then let's say you open the Instagram application and then you might be trying to log into your account and maybe you had forgotten the password, so it says you just simply enter your email and password and it says that this field is required. Now in order to solve this problem, first of all, when you tap the forgotten password option, as you can find here, it will ask you to simply enter the username or email or phone number, so which in this case I'll simply go ahead and then basically make sure to enter my username. Now if without entering your username, if you directly tap the find account option, that's where it's going to say that this field is required. So you have to make sure to enter the username so that Instagram will know for which account you want to reset your password. Now just tap the find account option. Now as you tap the find account option here, you have many ways to reset your account. So you can either enter your code via email or via SMS, so which in this case I'll just select via email and then I'll just tap the continue option. Once I tap the continue option, it will just send an email code to this certain email. So what I need to do is now I just need to go ahead and then open up that email over here, and once you open that email you should be able to get the verification code and reset your password. This way you'll be able to fix this field is required on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.